In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your application to Vercel using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will ensure your app is production ready and successfully live on the web. Begin by making sure your application works locally. Open PowerShell in your project folder. To do this, navigate to the directory where your project is located. Type cd your project and press enter. This command changes the directory to your project folder. Next, run the application by entering pemrun dev and pressing enter. This command starts the development server. Now open your web browser and enter http://localhost 3000 in the address bar. This will allow you to see your application in action. If the application does not load correctly, you must stop and fix the issues before proceeding. To stop the server, return to PowerShell and press Ctrl+C. Once your application is functioning locally, the next step is to prepare your app for production using Claude. Start Claude by typing Claude in PowerShell and pressing enter. Once Claude is running, paste the following command. Prepare my next.js app for deployment on Vercel. Claude will provide a checklist to ensure your app is ready for deployment. Review the checklist provided by Claude. It will include items like ensuring there are no hard-coded localhost URLs, using environment variables, correctly confirming that the production build works, and returning any required configuration changes. Claude may suggest specific actions, such as using process.n, next_public_API_URL, and adding a .n.local file. Make any necessary changes as suggested. When done, exit Claude by typing exit and pressing enter. With your app prepared, it's time to build it locally. In PowerShell, run npm run build. This command compiles your application for production. If the build fails, you must address any errors before continuing. If the build succeeds, your app is ready for deployment. Now install the Vercel CLI. This is a one-time install -g Vercel and press enter. Once installed, log into your Vercel account by typing Vercel login and entering your email when prompted. This step ensures you have access to deploy your application. To deploy your app, stay in the project folder and enter Vercel. The CLI will ask if you want to set up and deploy your project. Type Y and press enter. Accept the defaults for the project name and framework, which should auto-detect as next.js. For the directory, press enter again. The deployment process may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once complete, you will receive a URL like https://your-app-name.vercel.apcpa, indicating that your app is now live. For production deployment, after testing your preview, run vercel-prod. This command deploys your application to the production domain. If your app uses API keys, you can add environment variables by navigating to the Vercel dashboard, then go into settings and selecting environment variables. Add the necessary variables such as next_public_API_URL, databases_URL, and API_K. Finally, redeploy your application by running vercel-prod once more. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.